So, sometimes people spend a lot of time on their computers, towers, and laptops because, well, that's their thing. From editing software to production to actually inventing a woman to, well, maybe other things. But this video is dedicated to a small group of people who simply want to export their pics from their iPhones and iPads to the PC or Mac. They have tried and most likely ran into this message. A message that looks just like this. So, typically, you will Google or Bing search ways to get your pic in, and you will see a slew of programs and driver suggestions. And these suggestions are always cited as a pretext about how easy it can be done. And that's just bait. If this has been a frustrating process for you, or you have yet to go that route, you should try this first. Hi, I'm Jason from NY Varsity Sports, and I want you to try this before you decide to install anything. Number 1, go to Settings. Number 2, go to Photos in your settings. Number 3, under the options Automatic or Keep Originals, select Keep Originals. This may not work for some, but surprisingly, it's a fast and easy fix that has and will save people a lot of time. Thank you for listening, and make sure to click subscribe on my NY Varsity Sports handle for more stuff like this. Click the bell so you can have notifications sent. Take care, people.